You are 91, yes?
And feel like 101.
Is an apology important to you?
No, not at all. It's not important because people are asking from an apology from generations that are 12 feet underground. What do they know? What happened? And I feel that present generation, which is 3 generations ahead, is not responsible at all for what happened to their grandfather or mother. So, in my opinion, apologies have no place here.
Have you forgiven?
There is nothing to forgive. To forgive who? The present generation? That's 70 years ago.
I know I've grown up with the stories and hearing, never let it happen again. And in my lifetime, I can count on, I need your hands and mine to count on atrocities that have happened around the world.
Yes, but, you know, the atrocity in the human species has always been very active. They'll always be killing because the only animal in this planet that loves to kill is human. The others, either they are hungry or they run away, but they are not interested in the human flesh.
And we are,
Oh,
in a way.
we're good at it. I think that just how we are, just nasty beast. Fortunately, the world has many beautiful things to see and admire.
Is there something you would say to a young person about finding that balance?
Just enjoy life.